Question number 4. Show that the curve with equation x square minus 3xy minus 40 is equal to 0 and the line with equation 3x plus y plus k equal to 0 meet for all the values of the constant k. It is given that this curve equation and the line meets. So it means there is an intersecting points. So we need to solve them simultaneously to find the range of the k for which this line will meet this curve. So plugging y from the equation 2 from equation of line, we have 3x plus y plus k equal to 0. So this equation can be written as y is equals to negative 3x minus k. Plug this equation in curve equation. So we will have x square minus 3x. So we will plug the value of y, which is negative 3x minus k minus 40 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have x square 3x time negative 3x time, which is positive 9x square. Negative 3x time negative k is positive 3x k minus 40 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 10x square plus 3xk minus 40 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. When we solve this quadratic equation, we will have the x coordinate of the intersecting points. So to have the value of k such that this quadratic equation will have the real intersecting point, so condition that discriminant should be 0 or discriminant should be greater than 0. In both cases, we will have the real roots. If the discriminant is less than 0, it means that this equation will have the complex root. So we want this equation to have the x coordinate which are real. So discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. And we know that discriminant is equals to the b square minus 4ac. And in this case, this one is a, 3k is the b, and negative 40 is c. So we can write it b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So we know that b is 3k. So plugging 3k square minus 4 times a means 10 times c, which is negative 40, and should be greater than and equal to 0. So we will have 9k square minus 40 times negative 40. So it will be positive 1600 greater than and equal to 0. So further solving, we will have 9k square is greater than and equal to negative 1600, and k square should be greater than and equal to negative 1600 over 9. If this condition satisfy, then we will have the discriminant either greater than 0 or equal to 0.